Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Instead of going for the stereotype developmental works, what we should do is, we should try to revive the traditional water bodies. That is one area which we are not focusing. We are just going for new works, new projects, and somehow we have developed an idea that the bigger the thing is, the better it is. Water is something which has to be celebrated every day. And Goa has a peculiar situation, speaking about the precipitation and other things. We have a time period of excess of water and we have a time period of shortage of water. इसको कहीं ना कहीं एक मैच करना पड़ेगा.
As far as our department is concerned, we have done tremendous work. Last 20 to 30 years we are working. We have several chief engineers, so many engineers all together. We have put accumulated effort, and then today, so we can say that enough work has been done as far as the water resources conservation is concerned.
Water bodies in Goa are mostly in a better state compared to the other parts of our country. We have many lakes constructed by our ancestors and even a few by our colonial rulers. In Goa we have got a lot of water bodies which are unique to the state of Goa.